That downward trend, though, is encouraging, but medical experts are warning us not to get too excited.
According to doctors, if we lower our guards, we could see another spike. Newswatch 16's Nikki Kreis explains why they are preaching caution.
After a month of increased COVID-19 cases, Pennsylvania appears to be seeing lower numbers. In fact, hospitalizations are down across the state, including Geisinger. Last week, Geisinger had 347 COVID patients in the hospital, and this week that number is 303.
Although we're seeing those decreasing counts in the community, it's because of all the protective measures that we've been putting in place. It's because we're seeing more people go out and get the vaccines. We're seeing more people implement masking.
Dr. Allison Brzezinski is an infectious disease specialist at Geisinger. She says even though the lower COVID numbers are encouraging, now is not the time to let our guard down.
Now's the time that, we keep pushing through and doing the right thing, and we'll get through this.
Dr. Brzezinski says even though the lower numbers are good news, the pandemic is not over. In fact, Geisinger doctors anticipate reaching a spike in mid-February.
There's so many different elements that come into play when determining, are we going to head with our cases going up or down? And a lot of that comes back to human behavior.
Dr. Brzezinski says it's important to stay vigilant.
Thinking about, where am I going? Am I going to be in close contact with individuals that I perhaps don't know? I don't know their vaccination status. I don't know, in terms of personal responsibility.
Doctors say keep social distancing, wearing a mask, and staying home when you're sick. Nikki Kreis, Newswatch 16.